God's delay is not God's denial. Your promise is still alive. Some of you are ready to give up because nothing seems to be changing. You prayed, you waited, you cried in silence, but today God wants you to remember this. What He promised, He will fulfill. The closed door is not the end. The waiting season is not the punishment. And your current struggle is not your final chapter. Sometimes God is preparing you before He releases the blessing. Seeds grow underground before everyone sees the harvest. So don't lose hope today. Keep praying, keep believing, keep moving forward in faith. Your breakthrough may be one prayer, one opportunity, or one moment away. God has not forgotten your name.